Hi guys, welcome back to Rosh's Fun Activities. Today we are going to do arts. Yes! So we are going to make a paper gun. Dig, 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 dig. So here are the materials. We will need a scissors, tape, and some paper. So I'm using colored paper, blue and white because that's what I want for my design. But you can make your design different. But just in case, we might need a marker or a pen. So first, here's how it goes. So first, this paper, just show you the part. So now we have this. So this you see this paper, fold it like this, fold it, fold it in half like this. Now we are gonna cut it. You see the line over there? The line over there? Cut that line. So there will be split. This will too be split. There we go. Now that we have two, set on the other one aside. Now you have this, right? You have this. So fold, roll it, roll it into a tube, into a small tube. There, there we go. This method. Roll it into like this. Roll it into like this. See? Now, get your tape. Get the tape. Then, tape it. Tape the side. Tape the sides and the middle. There. It's done. So now the base part is complete. The base part is complete. So set the base part aside and get your blue paper or your other colored paper. And then I want that's right. Then take your white paper and do the same thing you did. Fold it in half. There. See? Like that. Now, then do this. Remember, do you see the line? Cut it. Just same thing we did with the blue paper. There we go. Cut in half. Now, set one aside. Now, for this, there it is. Now, fold it into this. Now, take one of yours, then fold it into, wait a minute, no, okay, sorry. Then, roll it up again, but make it thinner. Then, but make it thinner than this one. Make it thinner. There, like that's, like this did. You see? Okay, like this did. See? Is there like this did? Got it? So do the same thing you did, but this time I'm gonna take a long scotch tape and then just tape the middle like that, so it'll be quicker. And also be careful when you use scissors. You might get your fingers cut off, or you might get a boo-boo from scissors. So that's why be very careful. If you are young doing this art, I recommend you for a parent. Okay, asking a parent. Okay, now that we have the handle completed, get this, then attach it. Wait, let's see. Then attach it. If it's too long, just cut it like this. This is right up to here. That's good. There we go. See, like this. Then this is, that's good. Let me just cut one more same piece. There we go. Like this. Okay, so now we're gonna attach it. So tape this part, take the front part, and then take it and then choose where the bottom should be. Then I place it over here. This is where my handle will be. Then tape it over here. I have no choice but to leave it there because I made a mistake. There, leave it like that. Then on the other sides, get tape. Then tape the roll there, place there, tape there, and then get another scotch tape. Then place it here. There, we have it. We almost have it completed. It's not done yet. I'm making a pistol. We're making a pistol, by the way. There, see that shorted up. Okay, so now set this aside and take your blue paper. Take your blue paper and then just and then just this how you do it. Just fold the thin line. Fold the thin line like that. And then this, 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 this. Just make this thin. Very thin. You can leave some space. This is good. I'm trying to make it stick. There, this is good. This is good. Then cut it. There. I have it. So to secure it, tape it. There, like this. Next thing is to fold it. Wait, let me just check if you fold it. There, yeah, just fold it, then tape it again. Take the tip. Then the next thing is take one of this. Make something like this. Make something like this, kind of U-shape with it. Next is to attach it over here. So in order to do that, we must do a trick. So take this part and then Then, okay. Like this. See, it look like this. It looks difficult, right? So next thing is to grab, you can grab like a scrap piece from your cutting of this part. I'm just gonna use this scrap piece. Okay, and then I'm just gonna insert a tape inside it. There we go. If I inserted the tape inside it, then take your gun, and then I will insert it over here. There must be 2 layers of this tape. See, like this. For the last piece, we are gonna need it. Oh, no, this is not the last piece. Okay, so do you remember? So get your blue piece and then just fold it. Just fold it. There's spare one. Like this, but you can make it smaller. There, I made it smaller. Tape it, then tape it. There we go. Then, ooh, we're gonna have something smaller. So I'll just cut it to make it a little small. There, that's good. There. There we go. Oh, it's scratch tape around. There. Make it like this. Then attach scratch tape to it. Then tape it over here. Yeah, nice here. Then the other same as they take the other side too. And there, almost done. Now get your white paper and then roll it up into a thin, super thin than all the other scoops. As thin as I can. There we go, just right the side. There we go. You can make it shorter. There we go. That's perfect. Okay, next take this and then place it on the tip of your gun. Then tape it around that, and then that, and then we're finished. That's it. See, this is the paper gun. You can use this to play in your backyard at home, or maybe pretend you're in a PvP arena and fight with some pretend players. Here's is your complete project. Operation Gun is completed. Roll out. Okay, that's it. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.